Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The people of Obhan Ayama community in Ogbuku local government area of Bayelsa state have bestowed a chieftaincy title on Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC. Custodian of the people's customs and tradition in Obhan Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Omie Theophilus had bestowed the title of the Pillar and Shining Light of the Niger Delta on Dr. Ogbuku for bringing succor to hitherto backward communities in the region since his appointment as Managing Director of the NDDC.
Traditional rulers, youth, and women of Ogbuku Ayama community in Ogbuku local government area of Bayelsa state recently rolled out the drums in celebration of their illustrious son, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, for his immense contribution to the development of the Niger Delta region. It was a grand reception for an illustrious son at the occasion organized by the Ogbuku Ayama Council of Traditional Rulers. Speaking on behalf of the council, Chief Olali Opwene observed that Dr. Ogbuku has over the years proven himself to be a shining light as exemplified by his good works over the years.
The light on the mountain will illuminate everybody. Chief Dr. Samuel Ogbuku is that light. And everybody will benefit from his policy and action. Light is now shining in almost all our communities.
Dr. Samuel Ogbuku was also honored by the Ogbuku Ayama Traditional Rulers Council with the chieftaincy title, Edi One of Ogbuku Ayama Kingdom, which in English translates to Pillar of the Kingdom, for his leadership qualities, good sense of judgment, and dedication to the development of the Niger Delta region. The Edi One of Ogbuku Ayama title is usually bestowed on men of good reputation and integrity who have touched lives through their works and conduct. Chief Opwene affirmed that after a thorough appraisal of Dr. Samuel Ogbuku's antecedents, he was found worthy of the prestigious honor.
We respect our undeserved people's government in the capability and ability of Ogbuku to perform his duties efficiently, effectively, and intelligently. He has a excellent track record in public service. If we add this to his usefulness, energy, vibrancy, and his high sense of conviviality, then we present to you not only a competent and considerate politician and personality, but also an amiable and considerate individual. Indeed, God for him.
Also present at the ceremony was the former Minister of State for Petroleum, Chief Temipre Silva, who expressed confidence in Dr. Ogbuku's ability to transform Nigeria's oil-rich region. In his acceptance speech, Dr. Ogbuku commended the people of Ogbuku Ayama for the title conferred on him and assured them of his resolve to continue to offer his services to them. Dr. Ogbuku, who described the bestowment as a call for more service, solicited the support of the people, noting that the Niger Delta narrative could be changed through the people's will and determination. He told the people of Ogbuku Ayama to express more infrastructure development in their domain.
I know by this singular action of you people today, it is a commitment between me and you that we are going to stand together. So I want to thank all of you for this opportunity. I want to thank all of you for this honor. I pledge to carry out the responsibilities that are tied to this chieftaincy title.
Dr. Samuel Ogbuku was first appointed by the outgone administration of former President Muhammadu Buhari in December last year. He has been reappointed twice by President Bola Tinubu to drive the Hope agenda in the Niger Delta. Needless to say, Dr. Ogbuku enjoys the trust and confidence of all, including members of his community who recently decorated him with a chieftaincy title.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,